Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making some cheese-based sandwiches with New Zealand cheddar cheese. And today's episode is being sponsored by All From One Supplier, where you can find your New Zealand cheddar cheese and it's shipped anywhere in the US for free. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out more. So to start this recipe, we're starting with our favorite cheese, that New Zealand cheddar cheese. And in goes some mayo. Now if you wanted to make this vegetarian, use eggless mayo here. In goes some yellow mustard, or you can use Dijon mustard. In goes some pepper sauce. Now I like using my homemade lime pepper sauce for this. In goes some grated onions. And I'm adding in some softened butter. Now you can add black pepper if you wanted to, but this is how we like to make it. I'm going to give all of those ingredients a good mix. And once it's mixed in, I'm going to go in with my stand or hand mixer. And we're going to mix that until it's nice and smooth and creamy. You can even put this into your food processor if you wanted to. And if you think that your consistency is not as thin as you would like it, you can thin it out with a little bit of full cream milk or whole milk. So you see that consistency? That's the consistency that I'm going for. If you want it smoother, you can process it smoother. Now what I'm going to do next is divide this into 3 portions because I want to surprise my son and make colored cheese-based sandwiches for him. The kids are absolutely going to love this, and it's going to be perfect for them to take to school. So each portion, I'm going to color it with a different food coloring, and I'll be doing an orange, I'll be doing a yellow, and I'll also be doing a teal or bluish color. So feel free to use whatever color you would like to color yours. And once you've mixed in the coloring, you just want to set that aside. Do your other coloring to the other batch. These sandwiches are such a classic, and I've never met anyone who doesn't love a cheese-based sandwich. So once you have all of your colors mixed in, it's now time to paste it onto the bread. Now I'm using a wide sliced bread. Use any sliced bread you would like. Go ahead and paste your cheese paste mixture on one slice of the bread. And take another piece of bread and place it over. We're just going to set this aside and we're going to continue pasting the rest of the sandwiches. And after we're finished pasting all of them, then we'll go ahead and cut off those brown ends. We like serving it without the brown ends, but of course you can leave the brown ends. And if you guys did not want to use sliced bread, you can use hops bread. You can eat this cheese base with any type of bread you like, even croissants. So don't let sliced bread be the limit that's all you can use. Feel free to use any type of bread you love. Even brioche works well also. So there you see I sliced off or trimmed off the brown parts, and now all you have to do is cut it into a half, that iconic triangle shape, and then your cheese paste sandwiches are ready. How easy, simple, and delicious does that look? Your kids are absolutely going to enjoy this. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Keep watching to find out how you can order all of your favorite Trinbagonian and Caribbean items from All From One Supplier.
All From One Supplier is pleased to announce its online shipping for West Indian and American groceries. Order online at allfromonesupplier.com and with free shipping and deliveries to any part of the United States. Save time and energy to shop for all of your West Indian groceries from the safety of your home or office. We carry West Indian products like curry powders, meats and fish, dashing bush, pepper sauce, sodas, and your favorite snacks. All From One Supplier has it all. All From One Supplier fulfills and ships your order directly to you. So visit All From One Supplier today to start shopping. or call All From One Supplier at 718-551-3292 to handle all of your West Indian grocery needs. That's All From One Supplier, 718-551-3292. Free shipping, free deliveries, or curbside pickup from allfromonesupplier.com.